Hello, dear students. Hope you all are fit and well at home and utilizing your time properly with the help of the given online materials which we are trying to provide you. We are discussing chapter 1 in physical education, that is changing trends and career in physical education. Now we are going to discuss the third session, that is the objectives of planning in physical education. Today we will have a brief description about the objectives in physical education, that is the physical, psychological, social and emotional development for the overall growth of an individual. Term physical education means body should grow in a proper way. Physical activities help in developing the body. Our body is a kind of machine which grows and develops with physical activities. Physical development improves our neuromuscular responses and leads to maximum organic development. Thus, physical activities must be performed to develop optimum growth. This objective also guides a person to make his body strong, well shaped, looking, good working of internal organs, good health, and improves the physical personality. Second one is psychological development. This objective helps to the psychological balance of an individual, that is, mental progress or mental development. This objective direct the growth and development in a sequential manner. This development gives identity to one's personality by good behavior. The positive thought and ideas guide the individual towards progress and hence it make a person a good citizen. So the development of positive and mind help us to achieve the aim. This objective of physical education enables a person to overcome various challenges in life in a good manner. Psychological development makes a person active and develop the well balanced life. Social development. You know that man is a part of society and has to follow the rules, regulations, traditions, and laws of the society where they live. His activeness in society proves his identity. As you show yourself in your society, as you reflect, that is your identity in a society. In society, man learns the socialization process. Society also helps us to improve our status. This objective develop the social qualities like cooperative behavior, friendship, togetherness, honesty, obedience, sincerity, tolerance, adjustment, leadership, boldness, self control, self discipline, etc. You might have observed that whenever you play any game, your team, whenever you are being a team member, all these qualities you are practicing during the game. So this objective helped to stop the evils of society and bring up the progress of the community. Last one is the emotional development. Emotions are very important part of optimum development of a man's personality. Emotions like love, hate, anger, jealousy, aggressiveness, cheerfulness, pleasure, anxiety, etc. are parts of human personality. These emotions help to achieve optimum progress. Does it help to achieve aim? Emotions must be expressed sometimes in a controlled way depending upon the situation. We should not be angry all the time. We should try to control our behavior. So that if we learn, we'll definitely progress in our life and will handle the things in a proper manner. So emotional development lead us to a good social life and balanced life. These all things are possible with the help of physical education in a game, in sport, during with other teammates on the field. We are experiencing all these things and practicing all these things. So definitely physical education help us developing these qualities in our life. So before leaving today's assignment, you have to write a brief description about the objectives, whatever we have discussed today, that is physical, psychological, social, and emotional development. You have to write few lines about each and kindly keep it safe. I will ask it later. Have good food, exercise every day, and remain safe. Thank you.